Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today the problem that we are going to discuss is reverse the linked list, and it is marked as easy on lead code, and the problem says that we will be given the head of a singly linked list and we need to reverse the list and return the reversed list. So the problem statement is pretty straightforward and you can go through the examples. They are pretty self-explanatory, and there is this follow-up question which says that a linked list can be reversed either iteratively or recursively. Could you implement both? Now, inherently, linked list is a recursive data structure. So yes, definitely it can be solved recursively. But any recursive problem can be solved using iteration as well. I'm going to show you the recursive code to solve the linked list, and I'm leaving the iterative code for you guys. And if you find it difficult, just let me know. I'll sort that out as well. So let's begin with the code. So if you recollect, for every recursion, we have a base case, and the base case uh, in this question is going to be whether the head is null or the head is pointing to the last node in the linked list. So let me code that. If null equal to head, or sorry, yeah, or null equal to head dot next. In that case, we will just return the head as it is. Yeah. And what we are going to do is we are going to traverse to the last node in the linked list, and you will see the magic of recursion. So, okay, when we are reversing the list, the last node in the original list is going to be the new head in the new list. So I am going to name the variable as new head, and I'm going to call the reverse list method again. Reverse list, and I'm going to point head dot next inside it. Yeah, perfect. Now, when it reaches the last node in the linked list, it will return. It will return the last node. So the new head will be containing the last node of the linked list. But in that recursion call, when we will be having new head pointing to the last node in the linked list, our head pointer will be pointing to the second last node. This is how recursion works. We are unfolding the recursion stack basically. So what we are going to do is we need to point the second last node. Sorry, we need to point the last node to the second last node. So we are going to write the code like this. Head dot next, which is the last node. We are going to make the last node point to the second last node, and then we are going to make the second last node point to null. And for every recursion call, we are just going to return the new head. So new head does not change. It is still pointing to the last node of the original list that becomes the head of the new list. And we are kind of reversing the list in pairs. So with every recursion call unfolding, the linked list gets reversed, and at the end we are left with the new head. So let's see if this code works. Okay, perfect. Let me use all the example test cases and run this. Yeah. So you see in the example test cases, there was one more case which was having no input. So that was like an empty head or a null head. So I have handled this case over here. Let's submit and see. Yeah, it worked. Perfect. Now I'm leaving the iterative code for you guys. If you find it difficult or if you find it confusing, just let me know in the comments. I'll resolve that out. And let me know in the comments also the feedback for this problem, and if you want me to attempt any specific problem. Thank you for the next, thank you till I bring the next video. Yeah, see you. Happy coding.